Welcome back. It is now time for Legal Live. With me is Tom Winslow from Goldfinch Winslow. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Unfortunately, a year ago the conversation was COVID. A few months ago it was COVID. It's still COVID. And the news recently was out of Broward County in Florida, 4 teachers died in a 24-hour period from COVID. And Broward County is all up in arms because of Governor DeSantis. There's a no mask mandate. We have the same thing here.
That's true. Yeah, I mean, so in this situation right now, in South Carolina, there is a no mask mandate for government-related, South Carolina-related situations, such as teachers, right? And they tried to do that at the University of South Carolina, but they made them take away that mask mandate. And so it is in place in South Carolina currently.
Yeah, so if teachers are fearful that they could get COVID and they're masking up, but other people aren't, are there steps that they could take? Because they're under contracts, correct?
Yeah, so you got kind of 2 situations with state employees, right? You got the contract employees like teachers, but you also have the at will. Obviously at will, you can leave or they can fire you pretty much at will at any time. But with a contract, you can't violate that contract. You have to work within the terms of the contract. But so does the school and so does the state. So a lot's going to be the question about what is appropriate, what's not appropriate under that contract and the terms of it.
And some of that might be the fact that if you catch COVID, you have long-term effect. Workman's comp could probably fall under that.
Absolutely, and also the vaccine, right? There's cases out there on workman's comp on having an effect from the vaccine that was mandated while you were working, and or maybe you contracted, COVID while you were working. You have a lot of that with nursing and medical. But if these deaths in Florida are related, maybe that would be a workers' comp situation as well, also in South Carolina.
Yeah, is there a step teachers could take, or even Molly Spearman, if she wanted to, from a bigger scale, does that go to the state level Supreme Court, or does it go to a local court first?
Yeah, so normally you're talking about legislation, so that's the legislative branch that would put that into play. The governor has this mandate, the legislature could step in, but if someone wanted to challenge that, that would go to that Supreme Court, and that would be the question there.
And that takes some time.
That would take some time, most likely.
Yeah, hopefully COVID will be over before that.
Well, we thought it'd be over a year ago.
True, very true. Well, if there's a teacher out there or someone who feels like COVID's affecting them at work, or maybe there is a mandate they don't think they should have, or whatever it happens to be, how do they get in contact
Well,
with
there's
you
never
guys?
a question. They can call us at Goldfinch Winslow, 843-357-9301, goldfinchwinslow.com.